Welcome to our brand new Kodi build. Let's get into the video. Open File Manager, add source, add this source. Watch all the video right through, follow all the steps, watch till the end. Just press OK. OK again. Go back. Go to add-ons. Go to install from zip file. Go to fonts. Click on the repository. Wait on the pop-up to come up. Click on install from repository. Fonts, program add-on, then fonts wizard, click install it now, don't want to install it, click on it, click OK, wait on the pop-up. Click close, wait on the next pop-up, click yes, now scroll and look for Arkham. Look for Arkham Build. Click on the Arkham Build. Click continue. And there, download process is beginning. Install the bin in your Kodi. Wait on the process to depend upon the internet speed. When the build is finished, you're gonna press OK and force close Kodi, and the build will be installed on your Kodi. Thanks for joining. I make video every week. Subscribe.